In this video, I want to show you some tips that you can try if your LuxPro thermostat is not working properly. So here I have the LuxPro PSP511LCa, and if you have this thermostat and it's not working properly, maybe you're trying to change your temperature and it's not responding, the first thing you want to do is to check your display. You want to check to see if you have a padlock icon on the display. And if you can find a padlock icon here, it means your display is locked. So what you want to do is to open the thermostat door. Okay, so you want to unlock it. So to unlock it, you want to press nest 3 times followed by the hold button. Okay, so you want to go this way, nest, 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 hold. And that's going to remove the padlock icon from the display. So now you can change your temperature. So don't forget, you want to go nest, 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 and hold. That's going to unlock your thermostat. Okay, but if this doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you want to do is to perform a hardware reset. To perform a hardware reset, you want to get your thermostat off the wall. So to do this, you want to press a button down below here. There's a button down below here to press to remove your thermostat from the wall. So you want to hold it this way and push this button. Okay, now you can get it off the wall. So this is the hardware reset button right here. So you want to push it once and that's it. So that's how to perform a hardware reset, and this should help fix some issues. Now you want to get it back, so this way, and you want to push it in place. So that's it. And after performing a hardware reset, what you want to do next is to set your clock. You want to set your day and time. So you want to open this thermostat door, and next you want to push this dial to where you have set day and time. So turn it this way. Okay, so you can see it pointing to where you have set day and time. And the next thing you want to do is to use the arrow up button, and here on the display you can see the day flashing. So use the arrow up button to adjust your day, and once you're done, you want to press next. Now you can see the time flashing. So use the arrow up and down buttons to adjust your time, and make sure you set the correct time for AM or PM. You can press and hold this button to get it to move faster. You can see it's changing faster. So that's it. And once you have your time set, you want to come back here to push this dial to where you have run. So turn it this way. So you can see this dial here to where you have run. So that's how to set the end time after performing a hardware reset. And this should help fix your thermostat. But if the problem persists after doing this, what you want to do next is to perform a software reset. A software reset is going to remove all your temperature settings. So you want to set it up again after the reset. So to perform a software reset, what you want to do first is to get a pin or a pen. So you want to get a pin or a pen like this. And there's a pinhole right here. This is the reset button here. Of course, you can see it here labeled reset. So you want to get this pin inside and press it. Okay, press it. So now you can see the screen getting fully populated. Release it. Okay, so that's it. The reset is complete. So that's how to perform a software reset. And then I want to show you how to set a temporary temperature after performing a software reset. So to do this, you want to come over here to where you have the system switch. So if you want to set your current temperature to heat, push the system switch up. Okay, and if you want to set it to cool, push it down to where you have cool. So next you want to hit the hold button. This is it right here. And now you can see hold on the display. So the next thing you want to do is to use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust your temperature. You want to keep doing this until you have your desired temperature. So that's how to set a temporary temperature. And as long as you can see hold on the display, it is going to keep your temporary temperature indefinitely. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you. And if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.